Hi guys, today I'm going to do something that not many people outside of Asia know how to do. I'm going to be shaving coconut to make coconut milk. And this is a kaguran, and I'm going to sit on it, and these little tines right here on the front are going to shave the coconut for me. Well, I have to work it, but it's going to take the coconut and shave it down. Oh no! I owed him up. Alright, so need that one. Crack it open, drain all the water out. You don't want the water. What you do is you stick this in here like this and you push. But it comes off with the little things like this. And yeah, we'll come back when I'm a little further along. You see how I'm hitting the husk, the shell? Time to stop. You don't want all that shell in there, so you move on. So one down, one to go. You see how most of it's getting too close to the edge to my stuff. So that's it. Now this can be used as a drinking water for the dogs or a dog bowl for their dog. Very handy. And just keep going. Well, there's a lot on it. I didn't want to waste it. So here's what I have. This is my coconut shreddings. And now we're going to go turn it into coconut milk. It's actually really simple. We're going to take this and we're going to get a colander to it. And then we're going to squeeze it until the white juice comes out. That is your coconut milk. Like I said, it's really easy. So let's grab our supplies and we'll be right back. Before we get going to squeezing, you really don't want these little things in here like this. See this little piece of husk? You don't want that in there because it will really hurt your fingers, especially something like this. So we're just going to pick them out and throw them away. And before anybody asks, yes, I washed my hands before I came out here. So you may hear some sizzling in the background. My wife is cooking some fish.
Wow.
It is really yummy. In clean water. And if you look down in there, you can see that it's actually starting to turn white. That is actually coconut milk. Just mix it all up like this. You squeeze it. That juice comes out. Espiso, which means special, and it's really good. Okay. So now we're gonna bring this a little closer so I don't spill it everywhere. So for the first squeeze, if you notice, I didn't put very much water in here. The reason it is for the spisa, you don't want it to be. So this is almost too much water for the first run. So ready here in a few minutes. You're gonna get to a point where you need any more. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go ahead and strain it through a very fine nit strainer to catch all the coconut chunks. Coconut milk. This is awesome stuff.
Okay.
All right, then put it over there. That's it. There's your first batch. Now we're just going to take this, put it back in here. Okay, we're gonna get a little bit more water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll look at it, see how good it is, and leave a little more. Okay. And squeeze. Do. The reason we don't want to keep it around is there's still a little bit of sweet left in it, and if you don't get rid of it, you'll get bad ants. So when you wash your hands off like that, you're gonna feel a little bit oily.
Yeah.
There's some oil in the coconut without ever having cooked it. All right, last one. That's it. Now you have fresh coconut milk. And that's all there is to it. Time for me to check on the rice. Oh, look at that, nice and sticky. That is, oh, that's perfect rice. Oh, that's excellent. So, we're not showing it this time, but next time we'll show you how to make rice. I know everybody's like, oh my gosh, make rice, it's so easy. Not if you're doing it the right way. And that's it. All right, so here we go. Here are the ingredients for my chicken curry. I have some yummy carrots, some potatoes, some ginger, some peppers, garlic, and onion. And of course, we just made this. We're gonna let the pan heat up a little bit, and then I'll put in a little bit of oil and roast up the garlic and onion. And just a little bit of oil. You don't need too much. Just need enough to cover the garlic and the onion. Hold on, I'm letting it all warm. All right, adding the onion. Alright, make sure this doesn't stick. That's good. So here comes the ginger. Okay, once you have all your bone. Okay, so we'll start adding in the chicken. Put a lid on it for a little while, let the juices come out. Alright, time to stir. Look at all the juice that's in here now. So here we go. Here comes the carrots. Here comes the taters. Don't worry, we'll mix these all in so they get all nice and done. And here comes some more juice. Ooh, careful. There you go. There goes the chili and red pepper. Spicy. I just want to make sure these get. Add in the curry. Okay, time to check. Oh, look at that. Looks good. Stir it up a little bit. One thing you want to do, you want to check. Oh, let's see how hard that is. That's got to go back in for a little while. You want them to be nice and soft. There we go. All right, guys. Now the last ingredient. Here comes the curry powder. All right, no more. This smells absolutely amazing. Make sure we get these. Make sure when you're mixing it in that you kind of look at your potatoes, make sure that there's no big clumps of curry powder on them. I don't see any. We'll let this cook for a couple more minutes. Okay, time for dinner. Serve it up. Make sure you get some good taters in here. Good tater. Piece of chicken. And now for, gotta have soup in here. All right, that should be enough for now. For later. That'll
Wow.
save for later. Ate. Here it is. Holy smoky. Oh, you being nosy nosies.
Eat it.
Let's eat. This is gonna be good. So there you have it. There's how I make my chicken curry. It may not be to your liking, but it's really to mine.